Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove the background of your image on the application Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer, Adobe Photoshop on the image we are trying to edit. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Photoshop, wait for this to open. And now go to the left hand side navigation bar where it says create new. Yes. Choose a title. Image edit. Choose the resolution 1500 by 1500 and that is pixels. Okay. And now we are ready to insert the image. Drag and drop from your desktop to the project we are working on. So now we are ready to increase. Select the image on layers and now we can quick selection tool and slowly start to remove the background of the image. Go to the eraser tool, yes, delete, and then the background is slowly being removed. Go to quick selection tool again, choose another section that needs to be removed. Keep doing this until you are sure that all the background has now been removed. If more is being removed than you require, we can use another trick. Rectangle marquee tool, delete, and there it goes. Go back to quick selection tool. Go back to the rectangle marquee tool again. Delete the sections we no longer require. We can also bring back the eraser tool. And then remove all the areas we no longer require. And that itself is done. Now we can rearrange in such a way where we know we have done the job. The background of the image has now been removed, and then we would go on to edit the image, bring in a new background. Once we are done, we would export the image to the desktop and use for any social media websites. So we can minimize Photoshop. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.